All right, boys and girls, we have day 11 of our April daily math. What we're going to start with here, it says split this hexagon into sixths. Label each piece with the unit fraction. So let's start here, number 1. Okay, and there's my little hexagon piece right there. I don't want to go right on that line and be confusing, so I'm going to move it over just a little bit. Okay, so there's my hexagon, right? So now what I need to do is make it into 6 pieces, okay? 6 equal pieces. There's 1. And there's 2. Notice what I'm doing is I am just going to each of the vertices and connecting the opposite side. So now we can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal pieces. Okay, and each one of these is 1/6. Okay, every single one is 1/6. Okay, number 2. Fill in a denominator to make this true. So on one side, we have 2/6, and we're comparing, and it says the less than symbol in the middle there, okay? And it's going to be 2 somethings, we don't know. So if you remember back to our fractions unit, if we have the same numerator, the larger the denominator, the smaller the actual piece, okay? So I could think of any number smaller than 6, right? So let's just choose a 2. 2 over 2 would be, 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So we'd have 1 full piece right here, 2 halves, so it'd be 1. Well, 2/6 is a fraction. That's a piece of 1, a section of 1. So if that would be equal to 1 over here then, right? So it'd be 2 over 2. Or just plain old 1. So 1 is greater than 2/6, or 2/6 is less than 1. You could also have a 1 in the box, okay? You could have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, or a 5. I get a 0, I don't know. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that one. I think that'll make it about easiest for us, okay? I'm going to put number 3 right here. It says exercise time, day and minutes. Avery kept track of how long she exercised last week. How many total minutes did she exercise? So on there I see Monday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. And I see 15, 25, 30, and 35. So let's add them together, right? I mean, that's what we're trying to figure out, how many total minutes she exercised. So we're going to add them. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15. Carry that one up top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a total of 105 minutes. Okay. Number 4. Here we are, that hungry caterpillar again. And this caterpillar eats 3 leaves every 2 days. Okay. So here's 3 leaves, and that equals 2 days. Okay? Now, how many days will it take to eat a dozen leaves? Well, here's 3, 6, 9, 12 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 leaves, that's a dozen. Okay? So it's 2 days, and another 2 is 4, and another 2 is 6, and another 2 is 8 days. And that is our answer, 8 days. Okay? All right, here we go. So next thing, it says number 5, we're going to use this data from up here, and we're going to make a little bar graph here. So I'm going to kind of throw it together here like, yay, something like this, okay? And I see one here, we'll call this one Monday, okay? And Monday, there are 15 minutes. So let's go 5, 10, 15. Okay. And I'm going to label this zero. And we have Thursday. Thursday, 25 minutes. Oh, I'm going to have to go up one more, huh? Erase that. You should have had a little more room on there. All right. So, oh, I have to go higher than that over there. Monday, Thursday, 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 for Thursday. First, great job, Avery, getting out and working so hard. You're doing great, girl. 30 minutes for Saturday. So go all the way up here to 30. I'm going to add a little extension for the graph over here. 35. And for Sunday, we're going all the way to here. Okay, 35 for Sunday. All right, so that is everything. And there was no question. Don't forget to give your graph titles. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Minutes. I apologize. Whoa, I'm glad I read the fine print. We have minutes, days. We could have that minutes that she worked out. Okay, I'm kind of running out of room, but minutes she worked out. The exercise time could be the title of it, like up here. Exercise time. Speaking of that, I think I need to get out a little here too. So, boys, girls, we will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.